Formatting and conditional formatting. To format cells in Excel, you can start by selecting the cells you want to format. To select multiple cells, just hold down the Control key and click on each cell. Next, head over to the Home tab in the ribbon. You'll find a font group with several formatting options. You can change the font size, font color, and alignment of your cells. For instance, you can make the font bold and change the color to red. To change the background color, just click on the Fill Color drop-down menu and select the color you want. You could try a yellow color. To adjust the text alignment, select the alignment that you prefer from the ribbon. For example, you could choose to align the text to the center of the cell. Merging cells. Next, let's talk about merging cells. Merging cells allows you to combine two or more cells into one cell. For instance, let's say you have a spreadsheet with a first name column and a last name column, and you want to combine them into a single name column. Here's how you can do it. Start by selecting the cells that contain the first name and last name columns by clicking on the column letters. Then, go to the Home tab in the ribbon. In the Alignment group, you'll find a Merge and Center button. Click on this button to merge the selected cells into a single cell. Type name in the merged cell to create a new column heading. Press Enter to finish. That's it. You've successfully merged the first name and last name columns into a single name column using the Merge and Center button in Excel. Borders and shading. Now, let's talk about borders and shading. To add borders, select the cells you want to add borders to. Right-click and choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, select the Border tab and choose the border style you want to apply. To add shading, select the Fill tab and choose the shading color you want to apply. That's it. Now, let's talk about number formatting. Number formatting is also important in Excel. It allows you to display numbers in a specific format, such as currency or percentage. To format numbers, select the cells you want to format. Right-click and choose Format Cells in the Format Cells dialog box. Select the Number tab and choose the number format you want to apply, for example, currency. Conditional formatting. Let's talk about conditional formatting. In this example, we'll be using conditional formatting to highlight the top 3 most expensive fruits in our table. To get started, select the cells containing the price column. Then, head over to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting. You'll see a few options, but for this example, we'll be using top-bottom rules. Now choose Top 10 items from the options. In the Top 10 items dialog box, change the 10 to 3 to highlight only the top 3 items. This will ensure that we only highlight the top 3 most expensive fruits. To change the background color, you can click on Conditional Formatting again and then click on New Rule. Choose Format only top or bottom ranked values. And update top 10 to top 3. Then click Format and choose the background color you like. Finally, click OK to apply the formatting to the top 3 most expensive fruits in your table. And that's it. You've successfully applied conditional formatting to highlight the top 3 most expensive fruits in your table. Quick tips. Format Painter is a really useful tool in Excel that can save you a lot of time if you need to apply the same formatting to multiple cells. Here's how to use it. Let's say you have a table with 2 columns, fruit name and price. You want to apply the same formatting as fruit name to the headers of price. To do this, start by selecting the header of fruit name to copy the formatting from. Next, click on the Format Painter button in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. The cursor will change to a paintbrush icon. Finally, select the header of price. to apply the same bold formatting, red font color, and yellow background color to that cell. And that's it. You've successfully used Format Painter to quickly apply formatting to multiple cells in your table. It's a great tool to use when you want to ensure consistency and save time in your Excel spreadsheets. That's it for this lesson on formatting and conditional formatting in Excel. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.